Ever had your check engine light pop on, and you're left guessing what's wrong with your car? Before you panic or worse hand over hundreds at the mechanic, there's a smarter way. Today we're reviewing the ANCEL AD410 Enhanced OBD2 Scanner, a tool trusted by millions and even recommended by YouTube star Scotty Kilmer. Let's see if this little black and yellow gadget can actually save you time, stress, and money. The AD410 works with almost every OBD-compliant car out there. US cars from 1996 plus, European and Asian models from 2000 plus, light trucks, SUVs, you name it. It supports all major protocols like KWP200, ISO 9141, J1850, and CAN. And here's the kicker, it doesn't even need a battery. Just plug it into your vehicle's OBD port, usually under the steering wheel, and it powers itself instantly. Super convenient. Now, let's talk about what it actually does. The AD410 can read and clear fault codes fast, including stored, pending, and emissions-related codes. With over 42,000 built-in code definitions, you won't be stuck Googling mysterious codes. It tells you what's wrong right there on screen. Got a smog test coming up? It'll check monitor readiness so you're not blindsided. Just remember, it clears codes after you fix the problem. It won't magically repair your car. But what really sets the AD410 apart is the enhanced diagnostics. It can test O2 sensors to help fine-tune your air fuel mix, boosting efficiency and saving you gas money. It also checks your evap system for leaks, so you can catch issues before they lead to bigger, more expensive problems. Just note, it focuses on the engine system only. You won't be scanning ABS or transmissions here. The 2.4-inch TFT color display is bright, clear, and user-friendly. No thick manual needed. The menus are straightforward, making it beginner-friendly but still powerful enough for seasoned DIY mechanics. Plus, ANCEL constantly updates their tools, and the AD410 got its latest upgrade in October 2024. So right out of the box, it's ready to go. So, should you get it, if you want a reliable, affordable, and easy-to-use OBD2 scanner that helps you stay ahead of costly repairs, the ANCEL AD410 is absolutely worth it. It's like having a mini mechanic in your glove box. Hit that like button if this review helped you out. Subscribe for more car repair tips and tool reviews. And remember, knowledge is power. And in this case, it can save you thousands. See you in the next one.